Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come with another make and freeze recipe which will be helpful for both iftar and suhoor as well as for day-to-day meal plan. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. First we are making mutton cutlet or mutton patties. For that I have taken 250 grams of minced meat. First we will fry the minced meat in little bit of oil. To that I will be adding ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. Nicely give it a good mix and let it fry, and this mutton minced meat will release its own liquid and get cooked. We will just cover it for 5 minutes and cook on medium low flames. Then your mutton will be ready. At this point, when all the liquid is evaporated, we will be adding roughly chopped 1 large onion. Nicely give it a good mix, and in 1 to 2 minutes the onions will become soft and tender. Then what I have done is I have taken 5 large potatoes and boiled. Half I will be using for making this mutton patties or mutton cutlets. To that I am just adding the minced meat which we prepared and enough coriander, that is coriander leaves, and to that I am adding garam masala, chili flakes and salt to taste. Coriander you can add as much as possible, it will add up the taste only. Just I have made the same size of balls, in same proportion I will be making the cutlets. For that binding I have taken 2 eggs, beat it nicely. Again I have taken fresh bread, I just put it in the blender and made breadcrumbs. To that I am adding corn flour, 4 to 5 tablespoons of corn flour. To that I also added salt. You should add salt, otherwise your coating will be bland. Now you can see step by step how I prepare the patties. I am taking the mutton cutlet balls and dipping it in the egg wash. Nicely give it a good dip, then place it in the breadcrumb. Now you can see how I will be making the cutlets. This is the simplest way of making cutlets. Just simply if you press in both the hands and keep it, that's the way, it is simple way. But if you want perfect round shape, next I will be showing how I am going to do that. Usually you can make like this, but in this you will have little bit of sides will not be evenly shaped, or sometimes somebody will not be able to make it perfectly. For that reason, same way like how we used for shami kebab making, if you have seen my make and freeze recipe, in that I have used the same method. You can just take any cap, any size you want or any thickness you want. You can decide accordingly, whatever available in your kitchen you take, that can be your best tool. The same way you can make the cutlets in same shape and same thickness, so you will be perfectly having the same cutlet sizes. Here I have made this small size because in iftar and all I will be using these same patties for making burgers. You can make burgers in small size. If you want to make bigger burgers, you can also choose to make big patties. It is up to you. But in iftar, when you are having multiple different choices, the small burgers are much appreciated. So I am going to make this small size only. Now let's prepare chicken cutlet or chicken patties. I have taken the remaining potato mash, and to that I am also again adding the coriander leaves, and this is fried onion, 1 large onion I fried, that I will be adding in this mix. Next you can see I am adding garam masala and chili flakes. Garam masala and chili flakes. To that again I am adding this shredded chicken make and freeze. In 3 make and freeze recipe I have shown how to make this shredded chicken. Always you can keep it ready in the freezer, just defrost and add the same way how I have done. Adjust your salt and now mix it. Your cutlet mix is ready for chicken. See how easy it is if you keep this cutlet, shredded cutlet in your freezer. It is very easy to make anything anytime. I have just added one more egg. The same way how we made cutlets, mutton cutlets, we will be making the chicken cutlets in the same way. There is no difference. So I will be making in the same way and freezing all these cutlets overnight. Then I will be packing it in the Ziploc. Whenever you have time before Ramadan itself, you can make these cutlets and keep, so that you can always use it in suhoor, in iftar, or any time, even with tea time in your day-to-day life. You can use these cutlets. Very handy and very useful. Even when you have guests, sudden guests at home, you will have these cutlets in your freezer. Just simply in your suhoor also, if you have some pulao or even some dal rice, with these cutlets, you're done. You will be feeling it very easy if you make all these cutlets, freeze it and keep. Now it is frozen. You can see, to manage the space, I have just piled it one upon the other. Use any plastic wrapper or anything. Usually I use cling foil to show you all that you can make use of anything to just take care that it doesn't stick to each other. I have just placed all the cutlet in the same tray and kept it in the freezer. Now you can manage the space in your freezer by just transferring it into the Ziploc bags, and you can place this way. See there, now all together again 50 cutlets I was able to make, chicken and mutton. Both the cutlets are ready. Most simplest way of using this is just fry it and enjoy with tea. You can see I have just taken the frozen cutlets directly, even without thawing. I am just frying it. If you are using the frozen cutlet to fry, keep in mind you should fry it in low flames or medium flames. Do not fry on high flames because it has to cook until inside, otherwise it will be cold. When you're frying the fresh cutlets, you can fry on high flames also, but if it is from freezer, always remember you just have to flip once or twice, you will be done, but cook it in low flames. I am serving it with some ketchup and mint flavored mayo. Just I took some mayonnaise, that I added the mint chutney. I got this mint flavored mayo. Like this you can serve it with any dips or simply with mayonnaise or even white sauce. You can serve these cutlets by the side of a cup of tea, or simple you can make these mini burgers. I have taken mini buns. You can also use the pav which you use for pav bhaji also. Just go any idea of your choice, any topping or pickles or even tomatoes, cucumber. I have just taken simple mayo mint chutney layered with this cheese and lettuce. That's it. I am not complicating anything more than this. It's so easy. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.